Another Day, Another Story. Title: Assessing the Readiness of the Third Jewish Temple in Jerusalem. Introduction. The concept of a third Jewish temple in Jerusalem has captured the imagination of many for centuries. Its construction is often associated with prophetic and religious significance, symbolizing the ultimate realization of Jewish faith and a restoration of divine presence in the Holy City. In recent years, discussions and preparations for the construction of the Third Temple have gained momentum, prompting questions about its readiness. This topic delves into the various aspects that contribute to evaluating the readiness of the Third Jewish Temple in Jerusalem. Historical context. To understand the readiness of the Third Jewish Temple, it is crucial to acknowledge the historical context. The First and Second Temples, destroyed in 586 BCE and 70 CE, respectively, have left an indelible mark on Jewish history and identity. The anticipation of a Third Temple is rooted in ancient prophecies and religious traditions. Religious significance. For many, the Third Temple represents a spiritual reconnection between God and the Jewish people. It is often viewed as the fulfillment of divine promises and a cornerstone for messianic redemption. The spiritual fervor surrounding the temple's readiness is undeniable. Architectural and engineering challenges. Constructing a temple of such significance is a formidable task. Architects and engineers face challenges related to preserving historical accuracy while ensuring modern structural integrity. The reconstruction must adhere to specific biblical dimensions, materials, and designs, which adds complexity to the project. Legal and political considerations. Jerusalem is a city with profound political and religious sensitivities. The status of the Temple Mount, Haram al-Sharif, is at the heart of the Israeli-Palestinian conflict. Building the Third Temple requires navigating complex legal and political hurdles, such as land ownership, zoning, and international treaties. Funding and resources. Financial resources are crucial for any large-scale construction project, and the Third Temple is no exception. Ensuring adequate funding for this endeavor is vital, and supporters must grapple with questions of how to raise the necessary funds while remaining transparent and accountable. Interfaith relations. The construction of the Third Temple has the potential to impact interfaith relations, particularly with Islam. The Temple Mount is also home to the Al-Aqsa Mosque, a site of great significance to Muslims. Promoting dialogue and understanding among religious communities is essential for a peaceful resolution. Security and safety measures. Given the historical disputes and tension surrounding the Temple Mount, security and safety measures are paramount. Ensuring the safety of worshippers and visitors while maintaining the sanctity of the site is a complex undertaking. Cultural and historical preservation. The readiness of the Third Temple also involves the preservation of cultural and historical heritage. Archaeological and historical research must be conducted to safeguard the heritage of the site while construction progresses. Conclusion. The readiness of the Third Jewish Temple in Jerusalem is a multifaceted issue encompassing religious, architectural, legal, political, financial, and interfaith dimensions. It reflects the deep-rooted hopes and beliefs of many, while also posing substantial challenges. Achieving readiness for the Third Temple is not merely a matter of construction but also of diplomacy, cooperation, and responsible stewardship of Jerusalem's rich heritage. The road ahead is paved with complexities, but for many, the dream of seeing the Third Temple standing in Jerusalem remains a powerful and enduring aspiration. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you next time. Thanks for watching.